What's going on, everybody? So I first want to thank everyone for subscribing. I appreciate all the comments and all the feedback you guys have given. I'm going to cut to the chase and get to the title of the video. Yes, sadly, I am selling my M3. I know I just got the car and I said it was going to be a keeper, and I know I'm going to get some hate on this, but the main reason I'm selling it is because I bought it as a daily driver and I simply just don't drive it enough. Now, to be clear, it has nothing to do with the car. I love the car, but I purchased the M3 in March right before COVID got big, and literally after that everything got shut down. Fortunately, I do have a stable job right now and I'm working remotely, but like I said previously, I got the M3 as my daily driver. I plan to drive it 2 to 3 times a week to work, but since I bought it, I've only added less than 1,000 miles and I'm paying a little over 1,000 a month for it. I'm not sure if it's just the Asian in me, but I can't seem to justify the cost when I barely drive it. And during the lockdown, I actually found a lot of new hobbies that I picked up, like camping, biking, and woodworking. Now, with all that being said, I plan to sell my M3 and get a pickup truck as a daily driver because I'm getting into woodworking and just fitting the bikes in there is going to be more convenient. And I'm going to get a fun weekend car that fits my budget. Guys, I'm super sorry if you subscribe just for the M3, and I totally understand if you unsubscribe, but I do plan on making more videos. I'm going to plan on modding my truck, modding my next car. And if you guys do plan to stick around, comment below on any suggestions that are within 30 to 35K for a nice sports weekend car. With that being said, here is my last montage of my M3. Enjoy.